In the intricate world of machinery, where power meets precision, there exists a vital component, often unseen, yet indispensable to the rhythm of industry. These are carbon brushes, the unsung heroes of countless applications, channeling the flow of electricity and ensuring the smooth operation of motors and generators worldwide. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Erodex carbon brushes, exploring the science, craftsmanship, and unwavering commitment to quality that have made them a global leader in their field. From the raw materials to the precision engineering, we'll uncover the secrets behind these remarkable components and discover how they power industries with precision and performance. Our journey begins deep within the heart of Erodex, where the legacy of craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology converge. Here, raw materials, carefully selected for their electrical properties and durability, are transformed into the precision components that will power industries across the globe. The process begins with a blend of premium-grade carbon and graphite powders, meticulously combined to achieve the optimal balance of conductivity, strength, and wear resistance. This mixture, the very essence of an Erodex carbon brush, is then subjected to intense heat and pressure, a process known as sintering, which fuses the particles together, creating a solid, homogeneous material ready for the next stage of its transformation. From the initial blending of raw materials to the final inspection, every step in the creation of an Erodex carbon brush is governed by an unwavering commitment to precision. Advanced machining techniques, guided by computer-aided design, shape the sintered carbon into precise forms, each tailored to the specific demands of its intended application. Tolerances are measured in microns, ensuring a perfect fit within the motor or generator, optimizing performance and longevity. This meticulous attention to detail, this pursuit of perfection, is at the heart of Erodex's reputation for quality and reliability. At the heart of every Erodex carbon brush lies a fundamental principle: electrical conductivity. These unassuming components serve as a vital bridge, channeling the flow of electrical current between stationary and rotating parts within motors and generators. The superior grade carbon and graphite used in Erodex brushes offer exceptional conductivity, minimizing voltage drops and ensuring the efficient transmission of power. This efficient flow of energy translates into optimal performance, reduced energy consumption, and ultimately, a more sustainable industrial landscape. Step outside the factory walls and you'll find Erodex carbon brushes hard at work in a staggering array of industries. From the towering wind turbines harnessing the power of nature to the high-speed trains connecting our cities, Erodex is there, ensuring a seamless flow of energy. In the demanding environments of steel mills and mining operations, Erodex brushes withstand extreme temperatures and harsh conditions, while in the delicate world of medical equipment, they provide the reliability and precision essential for life-saving procedures. The versatility of Erodex carbon brushes is a testament to their enduring importance in a world increasingly reliant on electricity. As technology advances and industries evolve, Erodex remains at the forefront of carbon brush innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of performance and sustainability. Research and development are paramount, with engineers constantly exploring new materials and manufacturing techniques to meet the ever-changing demands of a global market. This dedication to innovation ensures that Erodex remains the partner of choice for industries worldwide, providing the reliability, efficiency, and cutting-edge solutions needed to power progress. In the intricate symphony of industry, where every component plays a vital role, Erodex carbon brushes stand out as a testament to the power of precision, quality, and innovation. From the careful selection of raw materials to the meticulous engineering and rigorous testing, Erodex ensures that every brush bearing their name meets the highest standards of excellence. Their commitment to customer satisfaction, combined with a global network of technical experts, provides unparalleled support and peace of mind. When it comes to powering industries with precision and performance, Erodex remains the trusted choice, a legacy built on decades of experience and an unwavering dedication to excellence. For over a century, Erodex has been the unseen force behind countless industries, ensuring the smooth operation of motors and generators worldwide. Their unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and innovation has made them a global leader in carbon brush technology, trusted by businesses large and small. As we've seen, the journey of an Erodex carbon brush is one of meticulous craftsmanship, cutting-edge engineering, and a dedication to excellence that permeates every aspect of their operation. Discover the Erodex advantage today. Visit www.aerodex.com to explore our full range of carbon brushes or contact our expert team for tailored solutions. Trust Erodex, powering industries with precision and performance.